going.
Maybe they're trying to stay close to it.
Looks like it's going up now. Maybe. I've never been this close to anything like that.
I don't either. I saw the fireman coming.
Everybody's taking pictures.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get these in here in case it starts to rain. That's amazing.
It's still touching the water. Look at it.
Yep. That thing has gotten huge
I know.
since it started.
Look at it spiraling up. You see it going up?
Is it coming this way?
I don't know.
What should we do?
Chill out. Wow, look at it up top. That's all water. Wouldn't that be a wild ride?
Oh shit, good job.
Take a couple more still photos out.
It's coming pretty close. Looks like it's trying to tear up there.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it is.
Dissipating. Wow, that's insanely beautiful.
Yep. Double rainbow. Yeah, vortex. I bet Bede'd like to be here.
Oh, that's insanely cool.
Ethan, come here.
What's the closest you ever gonna get to a tornado?
Come here and look.
This is the closest you're ever gonna get to a tornado.
Look at the water spiraling going up. That's water going up in the sky.
Liam, come look at this water coming out of that. Liam, water coming out.
Liam, come here.
Look that.
It's going, looks like it's back together.
Yeah, I know.
Look, see, it's hitting the water and pulling, sucking the water up into the
Sucking
sky.
the water into that's seawater. That's.
Oh, that's far away.
No, that's like a tornado.
What?
That's like a tornado, man.
This is the closest you guys are ever gonna be to a tornado. Turn around. Turn around.
So I can take a picture.
So I can take a picture of you.
Turn this way. All right, look at your mama.
This is the closest you're ever gonna be to a tornado, boys. Right there.
Mom.
Come here, babe. Let's do it for us, too.
Mom.
I don't think
It's
so.
not going to hit us.
I don't think so.
No, it's not. It's going up the air. And it's not touching Mom.
Wow, look how big that thing is now. What's the date? The
That's getting
18th?
closer.
August 18th, 2011. A waterspout pretty damn close. Baby, it's heading right at us.
Nice. Don't seem like a lot of people are worried about it because it's a lot bigger now.
That thing is huge. You think we need to be doing something?
It's going that way. They'll hit down there somewhere. It's getting closer.
It's hailing.
Is it?
It's hailing.
That's hail.
Here, hold this. I'll get this shit in. Secure it.
Look at those birds getting close. That'd be nice. Look at it.
I got the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, right after it rains, right after them. And that brings a lot of that water too.
Wow, it's right there though.
Look at that. Where's the camera?
Get the boys back out here.
Boy, here. How close it is now?
Really cool. Here, take another picture.
Going somewhere else.
Look at it. That's water going up in the air. Isn't it crazy? Put on your eye.
I was just here. No. It was over there. No, you're not.
Oh, this gotta be one of the closest ones. Look at that. We ready to go down. Get in there. Are they ready to go? They probably won't come in there.
You hear it? You hear that? Oh my god, that's insane.
Look how it's not vortexing, it's going straight up. Look at the waves under it.
Wanna go surf?
Yeah. But that's making a big foam cloud. It's gonna give up. I guess here it's almost giving up now.
It's coming over though.
It's not vortex, it's just going straight up. It's done.
It's coming on land.
It's not.
That one at Myrtle Beach, it was just like pencil thin. As soon as it hit the land, though, you could see chairs and bricks and everything.
Oh, really? There it is. Whatever they're doing, you hear it?
Now let's go eat before that rain gets here.